How about doing some black beans today, Trinbagonian style? I have my black beans, I have some sweet peppers, 2 different types of sweet peppers, pimentos, 2 chopped onions, a habanero. I'm just gonna stick that in there for a little flavor, no heat, and also some thyme and some shadow benny. Let's get cooking. And we have some ground garlic too that's going in the pot. Pot's on high heat. Now some oil in the pot. Now everything's gonna go in the pot. Sorry, can't come to the phone right now. Smells so great with the freshwood, onion. Now let's add some garlic. Saute a couple minutes and then we're going to add the black beans. I think I have enough liquid in here right now, but if I need to, I'm going to add some more water. So we're going to let this bubble up on high heat. Alright, let's go in with our hot pepper. Remember, we're not cutting it or breaking it, so it's going to give a little hint of heat to it, but not the intensity of real hot pepper. I'm going to give this a little taste. Perfect. Don't need to add anything at this point, not even any salt. I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes and I'm going to stir regularly. Real nice bubble going there. I just turned my heat down to medium high. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm adding some extra water right now. Remember to stir regularly so you don't have any sticking to the bottom of the pot. And also be gentle with your little pepper right there in the middle. It's been 10 minutes, and since the beans have softened now, I'm going to start to smush these down. And that kind of thickens the sauce too. I love to eat this with some nice white rice, like some jasmine rice. It's absolutely delicious. So this is going to give me a little bit more sauce, black bean sauce, to go with my rice. It's been 15 minutes, y'all, and our Trinbagonian black bean stew is ready. Off the heat and ready to serve. Now it's time for the cook to give a taste. I let it cool down a little bit. This reminds me of like when you're making callaloo, and it's got the same kind of flavors. You get a little bit of heat from the habanero. It's not a lot, just a hint of heat. And then you got the pimentos, the onions, the garlic, the thyme, all those great flavors coming together. And so easy to make, guys, just 15 minutes.